This link board can be applied on M3 series, M3, M50, X8, and X10 monitors. 3 panhead screws are needed to install the link board to the bottom of the monitors. We use M3 monitor as an example. To install the link board on the M3, we need to first tilt the monitor down and unscrew the 3 mounting screws at the bottom. Then place the 3 holes on the link board over the 3 mounting holes corresponding to the bottom of the monitor, and then fix them with 3 panhead screws. This link board can be applied on M60, M70, X12 monitors, and it can also be applied on M8 series and M80 monitors after adjustment. 4 countersunk head screws are needed to install the link board to the bottom of the monitor. When the link board is used for M8 series and M80 patient monitors, the link slack on it should be aligned with the outward holes. We use M60 monitor as an example. To install the link board on the M60, we need to first lay the monitor down. Then place the 4 holes on the link board over the 4 mounting holes corresponding to the bottom of the monitor. Fix them with 4 countersunk head screws. This link board can be applied on Elite V5 and V6 monitors. Six countersunk head screws are needed to install the link board to the bottom of the monitor. We use Elite V5 monitor as an example. To install the link board on the Elite V5, we need to first tilt the monitor down. Align the 6 screw holes over the 6 mounting holes corresponding to the bottom of the monitor. Then fix them with 6 countersunk head screws. To install the monitor to the trolley, lift the monitor and slide the link board into the groove of the top link board sideways. When the board goes halfway, pull down the pin at the bottom of the top link board to allow the board go through. Keep pushing the board in until the pin rebounds and clicks into the hole. To remove the monitor from the trolley, pull down the pin at the bottom of the top link board to allow the monitor to slide out. Keep pushing the monitor out until the monitor is completely separated from the board.